Hi, everybody. Welcome. It's Jonathan here again. It's October the 5th now, and the numbers have come out for September that just passed. Numbers in the Market Watch, we will compare September that just passed with September of last year, 2011, to see where the market is. If you guys, read newspapers or watch the news media, you'll probably see already that it doesn't look too hot for the real estate market. And what I mean by that is that sales have continued to decrease relative of last year. So the numbers are this. Sales this September of 2012 compared to last September of 2011 decreased by 21%. 21% is a big margin. Furthermore, listings, active listings, meaning property that are still on the market, have increased by 15%. So they're not selling too quickly. New listings, meaning properties that have just come up on the market, are up by 4%. However, that being said, those numbers there indicate a cooling off of the market. However, even though that is the case, prices, believe it or not, are still increasing. They've gone up by 8.6% this September relative to last September. So although the numbers indicate that we should be cooling off, the prices are still increasing. So what this shows is that there aren't as many buyers out there right now, meaning demand has decreased a little bit. However, demand hasn't decreased enough to have an impact on prices. The reason demand has decreased, there's several factors. Number one, it's seasonal. Normally houses don't really sell as fast in the fall months as they do in the spring months. And also because the new mortgage rules that have been implemented are having an effect on buyer qualification. Banks are becoming a little bit more strict because houses are getting overvalued. So people are paying a little bit too much from the bank's perspective based on what they earn. However, it's not enough for it to affect prices just yet. This is not the market. The fall market is not the market in which you want to look at as an indication of what's going to happen. The market to look at as an indication of what's going to happen in the future, are prices going to come down, are prices going to keep going up? The market that you should watch is the spring market. So I'm a believer that right now, yes, we're cooling off a little bit. Okay, cooling off. I don't mean crash and I don't mean correction. I mean cooling off. I mean normalizing. I mean houses aren't selling as fast as they did. They're not selling for over asking, and they're not selling for ridiculous multiple offers. But if these numbers continue in the 2013 spring season, then we might, be in for a slight correction. I don't know how much, but what I believe is going to happen in the spring market is I think that there's still going to be more buyers than there are sellers, and I think that prices may not increase as much as they've been increasing in the last year and a half, 2 years, but I don't think that they're going to decrease. They might just normalize, stabilize, meaning if the average price is $500,000, that's what it's going to stay at. I think that's what we need. We need a market like that. It gives buyers more selection, and properties will be sold at their market value rather than sold because of buyers' emotions, because the buyers want to get in before prices continue going up. I think there's going to be more selection. There's going to be more equilibrium in the market between supply and demand, and I think that that's what is indicative of a healthy market. So I think that the numbers will continue like this throughout the winter, but then I'm curious to see what next spring is going to bring us. That'll be more of an indication of where the market is leading. So until then, let's keep our fingers crossed that nothing happens. Let's hope that the market normalizes. And that's it. But I'll be talking to you guys again next month to see where we are. Okay, so until then, guys, have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Have a great long weekend. I wish you all well, and I'll see you again. Thank you.